Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in videos. Now, I'm going to assume you're an adult here and you don't misuse this product. We built this for genuine use cases where you want to anonymize faces and not use it for wrong use cases. And we've mentioned this in our terms as well. In case we find that, we can take action on specific use cases that you might be using. So just let's respect other people's privacy and make sure that we don't misuse this. But I'm going to show you how to blur faces in the videos. You can also do this for images if you want. The option is right here. But if you want to blur for videos, you can click on this option. And then let's try on face swap here. And then we'll go ahead and upload the video here. So I'm going to choose this 4-second video here, right? And in this, you want to upload the face you want to replace, right? So let me take a screenshot of the face. So you need to basically mention the target face. This is the face that I want to replace, and I have to upload the face to which I want to add my face, right? So let's go to BGBlur.com and let's look at face anonymization. Let's take this face. Let's try it again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this to desktop as well, and then I'm gonna use this face. So I want to replace my face with this face in the video. I need to check a watermark saying that yes, I agree that I'm using it for good faith purposes, and then I'm going to generate face swap. What this will do is this will take my face from the video and then essentially replace it. Now note that you get some free credits here, but in case you want more free credits, you need to buy. Now for this 4-second video, we've been using 7 credits for the processing here. Now to give you an understanding of how this works is you take 1 second of video, which is 25 fps, which is 250 images. So if you want to swap face, we need to 25 fps is 25 images, and so we need to swap face in each of those images. If you take 10-second video, that is 250. If you take 60-second video, that keeps on multiplying. So it's definitely not an easy solution in the background because we consume our background consumes a lot of credits in order to make this work, and which is why this is a hybrid free plus paid tool. So you can try it for free, but in case you want to use it more often, then you have to purchase credits in order to use the tool, which also kind of makes sure that we are using it for legitimate purposes and not certain bad use cases which we don't want obviously use here. But these are great when you want to anonymize faces without in order to save their privacy. So make sure that you guys are using it for right use cases per se. But yeah, it should be done. It takes some time to process. Like I said, it breaks down every single video into a bunch of different sub videos and then images, and then it does take some time. So I'm gonna be back once it's done. Okay, so this is ready. Let's take a look. So again, like you said, it's not an exact replica of the swap, but what this does is that this kind of anonymizes the face such that you can't make out who is the person who recorded this video to majority of the extent. If you look at the original video and you compare it with this, it's going to be very hard to know if this was me who recorded the content, and which is the right use case of this specific tool. We don't want to be used it for wrong tool. So you can see it changes the video completely. So cool. I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.